Very good morning children, everybody. Hope you have understood the previous concept of division. So what all did we learn in the previous chapter of the division? First of all, are you learning the tables regularly? Yes? Yes, very good. So what all we learned? We have learned how to do the division using repeated subtraction, and we learned how to do the division or to find out the quotient using the number line, and also we have learned how to write a division facts when a multiplication fact is given, and also we have learned how to find a quotient, how to find a divisor, and how to find a dividend. Okay, and next also we have learned about the properties of division. Now let us continue further. Now today we are going to discuss division using the long method. We are going to learn how to divide in the long method, exact division and finding out the quotient and the remainder. And also we are going to learn the relation between the divisor, dividend, remainder and quotient. Okay, now let us start. Now let us know how to divide using the long form. So we have 54 divided with, which number shall we take? 8. 54 divided with the 8. Now, so 54, this is the way we write a bracket and a sleeping line. 54, the dividend will be written here and 8 will be written near the brackets. This 8 is called as the divisor. What do we call this 8 as? Divisor. 54 as the dividend. Alright, now let us start dividing 54 with the 8. Before you start division, we have few rules, children. Listen very carefully. Whenever we are dividing, so let us start from the beginning. So we'll start addition and subtraction from the ones place. Am I right? Addition, subtraction and multiplication. From where, which place value we are starting? From the ones place value. Whereas the division will be starting from the highest place value, that is from tens. If we have 3-digit number, we will be starting the division from hundreds place value. If we have 4-digit number, we will be starting the division from thousands place value. That is the difference between these three basic operations and the division. Okay. Now we need to start the division from the tens place, not from the ones place. Alright. Now my first digit. What is my first digit? 5. Always whenever you are dividing, check whether whenever you start dividing the dividend, first check the first digit is less than or greater than the divisor. Whenever we start division, what is the first step we need to see? We need to check the first digit of the dividend is less than or greater than the divisor. Okay, if it is less than the divisor, if the first digit is less than the divisor, then we will be taking 2 digits together, because do 5 will come in 8 table, children? No, because 8 table starts from 8 itself. 8 ones are 8, right? So since the first digit is smaller than the divisor, what are we taking now? We will take first 2 digits, 54. Alright, now will 54 come in table 8? Yes, recollect 8 table. Do we have 54 in 8? We have 8 sevens are 56, but no 54. So when 54 is not coming across in the table 8, what are we doing? We are going to take such a number from the table 8 that is less than 54, and it should be nearer to 54. Okay, now you need to check a number in table 8 which is less than 54 and nearer to 54. Now if I take, let us write the table 8 here. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40, 8 sixes are 48, 8 sevens are 56. Now let us stop, because what is our dividend? 54. And 56 is greater than 54. So we cannot take 56. What are the numbers we need to see before 56? Now see 48, 40, 32, these all are less than 54. But from these numbers we need to choose a number such a way that that particular number should be nearer to 54. Now tell me, from 40, 48, which number is very nearer to 54? 48. So what I am doing? 8 6 are 48. And already we learned division is nothing but repeated subtraction. So in multiplication you are adding, but in division what are we going to do with these two numbers? We will be subtracting. Minus. Now from 4 can we take away 8? No. So we are going to take a borrow. So 5 changes to 4 and 14. 14 minus 8. 6. 4 minus 4, 0. Do we have any other number to drop it down? No. Will 6 come in 8 table? No. So we will stop the division here. Okay. So here what happened? Since 5 is less than 8, we have taken 54. But after subtracting, what is the final answer we got? 6. But for the 6, do we have any other number to consider? No. Therefore, we will stop the division here itself. Got it, children? Now, in this, what is our quotient? Q stands for quotient. Quotient is 6. And what do you call a reminder as? On subtracting, whatever the leftover number, that is called as the reminder. Whatever the number is left over on subtracting the two numbers is nothing but the reminder. So what is the reminder? 6. And 8 is the divisor. And what 54? Dividend. Got it, children? So the number which we are dividing is dividend. The number with which we are dividing is divisor. The final answer, quotient. The leftover number, reminder. Got it, children? Let us take another example. Okay, let us take another example. 35 divided by 5. Alright, now let us divide 35 with the 5. So what is our divisor in this? 5 is the divisor. 35 is the dividend. Okay. Now 3 is less than 5. Therefore we are taking 2 digits together. Now 35 in 5. How many times? 7 times. 5 sevens are 0. So what is our quotient? 7. And what is the remainder? 0. This is division using log method. Got it, children? Next. Next, if we have, let us see another problem. So almost all the sums are same, long division. Okay. For your understanding, let us take another problem. 38 divided with 6. Now we have to divide 38 with the 6. So what is this? Dividend. 38 we will be writing here. What is the 6 called as? Divisor. So we will be writing near the brackets. Now 3 is less than 6. Therefore we will be taking complete 38. Now come. come on. In table 6, we need to find out a nearest number. Do 38 will come in 6 table, children? No. So 38 will not come in 6 table. Now we need to select or we need to choose such a number in table 6 that is less than 38 and nearer to 38. So let us say 6 1s 6, 6 2s 12, 6 3s 18, 6 4s 24, 6 5s 30, 6 6 are 36. Now we have 6 5s 30 and 6 6 36. Now which is the nearest number? 36. How many times? 6 times. 36. Now what are we going to do with these two numbers? We are going to subtract because division is nothing but repeated subtraction. Right? Now 8 minus 6, 2. 3 minus 3, 0. So since 2 is less than 6 and there is no other number after 38, therefore we will stop the division here itself. So what is my quotient? 6 and remainder is 2. Got it, children? Right. Next, let us learn relation between dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder. Let us learn that relation. There is a relation between all the four of this. Okay. Now, so what is that? Dividend. What do you call the dividend as, children? Dividend is the number which we are dividing. Okay. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. This is a relation between dividend, divisor, quotient, remainder. So what is the relation? Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. In a short form, D is equal to small d into Q plus R. Because dividend, divisor starts with the same alphabet D. So in order to differentiate, what are we doing? We are writing capital D for dividend and small d for divisor. That is the only difference, children. If it is a capital D, it is dividend. If it is a small d, it means it is a divisor. So you have to identify in that way to make it easy. So what we are doing? Capital D we are writing for dividend, small d divisor, Q quotient, R remainder. So this is a relation between dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder. So what is this? Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So this relation, where you will be using it? Suppose we have completed a division, right? So we have learned how to do the division using log method. Now to check whether the division we have done is correct or not, then we will be using this relation. So this relation is used to check whether the division what we have done is correct or not. Okay, let us see. Let us take one example here. Now I am dividing 39 with which one, children? Let us take 5. So 39 we are dividing with 5. Now since 3 is less than 5, we are taking 2 digits together, that is 39. Now which is the nearest number to 39, children? 5 8s are is 40. That is greater than 39. So we need to choose a number which is less than 39 and nearer to 39. 5 7s are 35. Now what are we going to do here? Subtraction. 9 minus 5, 4. 3 minus 3, 0. Now tell me, what is my dividend? 39. What is my divisor? 5. What is my quotient? 7 and remainder is 4. So this is how we sort it out. What my dividend is 39, divisor is 5, quotient is 7 and remainder is 4. Now using all these, let us use this rule to check whether a division what we have done is correct or not. Now what did we say? Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. What is our dividend? 39. So in place of D, we are writing 39 is equal to, what is our divisor? 5. 5 into, what is our quotient? 7. Plus, what is the remainder? 4. So what I am doing? I am substituting D as 39, small d as 5, Q 7 and remainder 4. Now let us see. 5 sevens are 35 plus 4. So first we will multiply, then we will add. 5 sevens 35 plus 4. 39. Is it not we got the same? Yes. So since we have got 39 back, it means our division is correct. Got it, children? So this is how we will check whether the division is correct or not using the division rule. Okay, children? Now, you may think 5 into 7. So first we need to add 7 plus 4. No. First multiplication, then comes the addition. First multiplication, then comes the addition. So 5 sevens are 35, then plus 4. After multiplying, whatever the product we are getting, that we are adding it. So on adding, we got back our dividend. What is our dividend? 39. Therefore, what all the division we have done is correct. Suppose if we are getting 37, it means what the division we did is wrong. We have to check where we went wrong. Compulsory, if you are using this relation, you should get back same dividend. Got it, children? That's it. So this is about the relation between dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder. Now using this relation, let us solve few more problems from your exercises. Now let us see how to use this relation and how can we solve the problems. Okay. Now, if you see here 2.6 exercise, page number 71, they have given a table. Okay, children. So they gave a table very like quotient. They gave, what did they give? Quotient 5 divided with 20. Alright, and then already you have given quotient as 5. I'll draw the table before that. So this is the question given, quotient and remainder 2 and quotient into divisor plus remainder is another block, and here we need to check whether dividend is equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder or not, and then is it correct or wrong. This is what the table was given. Okay, now we know the dividend, we know the quotient, we know the remainder. Now quotient into dividend, 5 into 5 plus remainder is 2. Okay, 5 5s are 25 plus 2 27. Is 27 is our dividend? What is our dividend here? 28. Is 27 is our dividend? No. It means this is wrong. Okay. Next. What What is the question? You are dividing 26 with 3. So what is the dividend here? 26. What is the divisor? 3. Got it? Now what is the quotient they gave? 7. And what is the remainder? 2. Now we need to fill up the leftover boxes. Now 7 into 2. Quotient into divisor. 7 into 3 plus remainder 2. 7 into quotient is 7 into what is the divisor? 3. 7 into 3 already remainder they gave 2. 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 2. 22, 23. Right? Now is 23 our dividend? No. What is our dividend? 26. It means is this division correct or wrong? Wrong. Okay. Next. 43 divided with 7. So when 43 divided with 7, what is the quotient given? 6 and remainder 1. Now let us use this quotient into divisor. What is the quotient? 6. 6 into what is the divisor? 7. 6 into 7 plus remainder. What is our remainder? 1. Okay. Now 6 7s are 42 plus 1. 43. So what is the dividend we got? 43. Actually, what is the dividend here? 43. Both are same? Yes. So it means your division is correct. Okay. So this is how you will fill up the table. They have given a question here on dividing 28 with 5. Quotient is 5, remainder is 2. Now we are using the relation what we have learned and we are checking whether division is correct or not. Quotient into divisor plus remainder. This is a relation. Now what is the quotient? 5 into what is our divisor? 5. 5 into 5 plus what is the remainder given from the table? 2. 5 5s are 2. I said first multiplication, then addition. 5 5s are 25 plus 2, 27. But what is actual dividend? 28. Is 27 equal to 28? No. Therefore, division is wrong. So, if you are on using the relation, if you are getting the dividend same as the given dividend, then your division is correct. This is how you are using the relation and you are checking whether the given division is correct or not. Okay. Now using the relation you can find out and you can complete the leftover 2 questions. Okay children. Next. Let us move on to the division of 2 digit, 3 digit and 2 and 3 digit numbers. Let us learn that division. Listen carefully children here. The rules whatever I am teaching you is very important. Okay, now from here onwards we will be learning division of 2 digit number, 3 digit number as well as 4 digit number. Now let us take 2 digit already we have learned, but still let us take an example. Now 64 to be divided with 2. Now we have to divide 64 with 2. So 2 here and 64 here. I have said you whenever you start dividing a number, what are you supposed to see? Whether the first digit is less than or greater than the divisor or not. If the first digit of the dividend is less than the divisor, then we will take 2 digits, right? But here 6 is greater than 2. Yes, the first digit is greater than 2. Then if it is greater, no need to take 2 digits. Okay, ఒకవేళ ఈ first digit divisor కన్నా చిన్నగా ఉంటేనే dropping 4 down. What are we doing? We are dropping 4 down. Now 4 into how many times? 2 times. That is 0. Now what is our quotient? 32 is our quotient and 0 is our remainder. Got it, children? Now let us take the other example. 56 divided with 3. 56 divided with 3. Now let us start. So here we are going to write our dividend 56 and here divisor 3. So what is the first digit? 5. Will 5 come in 3 table? 5 table 3 lo ostunda. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. But 5 రావట్లేదు. కాబట్టి what are we doing? 5 కి 3 టేబుల్ లో చిన్న నంబర్ తీసుకుంటాం. So in 3 table we are taking a number which is less than 5 and nearer to 5. So which number is that? 3 ones are 3. If I take 3 twos are 6. 6 is greater than 5. So we cannot take greater number. We need to take lesser number only. So 3 ones are 3. Now subtract 5 minus 3, 2. Drop 6 down. 5 minus 3, 2. And 6 is left over. What are we doing now? We are dropping 6 down. Now for 26 in 3 table, we need to find out the nearest number. Now come on, tell me. 3 5s are 15. 3 6s are 18. 3 7s are 21. 3 8s are 24. 3 9s are 27. Now 27 is nearer or 24 is nearer. Which number should I take? 24 because it is less than 26 and nearer to 26. How many times? 3 8s are 24. Now 6 minus 4, 2. 2 minus 2, 0. Any other number is there to drop it down? No. So we will stop the division here. So what is my quotient? 18 is a quotient and 2 is a remainder. This is division of 2-digit number. Alright, now let us see division of 3-digit number. The same procedure. If you are getting how to divide, then you are following the same procedure for 2-digit, for 3-digit, 4-digit as well as 5-digit and so on. The only thing is you need to be very perfect with the tables. Okay children, now let us take 3-digit division. Okay, 728 divided with the 6. 728 divided with 6. 6 here, 728. Now first digit 7 is greater than 6. Okay, now what will be the nearest number to 7 and 6? It should be less. 6 ones are 6. 6 ones are 6. Now what are we going to do? Subtraction. 7 minus 6, 1. Drop 2 down. What is that? 12. We should drop only one number, children. After dropping 12, we cannot drop 8 again. This is wrong. Only we have to drop one number while the division process is going on. Okay, you cannot drop 2 digits together. Only you are dropping 1 digit at a time. Okay, now 2, drop it down. So what we have? 12. 12 in 6 table, 2 times. 6 twos are 12. 0, 0. Then drop 8 down. Okay, now what is the nearest number to 8 in 6 table? 6 ones are 6. 8 minus 6, 2. Any other number is there to drop it down? No. So we will stop the division here only. So what is our quotient? 121, and what is the remainder? 2. This is how you are dividing a 3-digit number. Now let us take another example. 400 and we'll take the other example. 429 divided with 8. Come on, let us divide 429 with 8. Now what it is said? Once we start or before starting the division, we need to compare the first digit of the dividend with the divisor. What is the first step we are seeing or we are observing? We are comparing the first digit of the dividend with the divisor. Now the first digit is 4. Now 4 is less than 8. Am I right? So if it is less than 8, what did I say? We have to consider 2 digits. That is, we will be taking 42 together. If it is greater, suppose in place of 4, I have 9. 9 is greater than 8. Therefore, we will consider only 9. But since here we have 4 and this 4 is less than 8 and 4 does not have any nearest number in table 8. Therefore, what are we doing? We are taking 2 digits together. ఎప్పుడైనా చూడండి, ఫస్ట్ డిజిట్ డివిడెండ్ లో ఫస్ట్ డిజిట్ డివైజర్ కన్నా చిన్నగా ఉంటే 8 టేబుల్ లో 4 రాదు కదా. డివిజన్ చేసేటప్పుడు మనం ఏం చేస్తున్నాము? ఉన్న నంబర్ కి ఆ టేబుల్ లో చిన్న నంబర్ తీసుకుంటున్నాము. దగ్గర ఉన్న నంబర్ ప్లస్ చిన్న నంబర్ ని తీసుకుంటున్నాము. కానీ ఫస్ట్ డిజిట్ 4 డివైజర్ కన్నా చిన్నగా ఉంటే మరి 4 కి 8 టేబుల్ లో చిన్న నంబర్ ఏమైనా ఉందా? లేదు. ఎందుకు? 8 టేబుల్ స్టార్ట్ అయ్యేది 8 నుంచి. 8 1s are 8. మరి 4 కి నియరెస్ట్ నంబర్ లేదు కదా. కాబట్టి 2 డిజిట్స్ తీసుకుంటాం. అంటే 42. ఓకే, అదే 4 ప్లేస్ లో ఇంకొక నంబర్ ఉంది. సపోజ్ 9. 9 8 కన్నా చిన్నది కదా. అప్పుడు 9 ఏ తీసుకుంటాం. 92 తీసుకోకూడదు. ఓకే, ఈ ఫస్ట్ డిజిట్ ఎప్పుడైతే డివైజర్ కన్నా చిన్నగా ఉంటుందో అప్పుడే 2 డిజిట్స్ ఒకేసారి తీసుకుంటాం. అదర్వైజ్ ఆ ఫస్ట్ డిజిటే కన్సిడర్ చేస్తాం. ఓకే, నా సో ఇక్కడ ఏంటి? 4 is less than 8. Therefore what I am doing? I am taking 42 together. Now for 42 you have to find smaller number and nearest number. So in 8 table 8 5s are 40. Let us subtract 2 minus 0 2. 4 minus 4 0. Next we have to drop 9 29. Now what is the nearest number to 29 in 8 table? 8 3s are 24. Right? Now again subtract. 9 minus 4 5. 2 minus 2 0. So what is our quotient? 53 and 5 is our remainder. Understood, children? So whenever you start dividing, first check what is the first digit of the dividend, whether it is greater or smaller. If it is smaller than the divisor, then we will take first 2 digits. If it is greater than the divisor, then we will consider only first digit. Okay, ఒకవేళ ఫస్ట్ డిజిట్ డివైజర్ కన్నా చిన్నగా ఉంటే 2 డిజిట్స్ తీసుకుంటాం. లేదు డివైజర్ కన్నా పెద్దగా ఉంది అని అంటే ఆ ఫస్ట్ డిజిటే తీసుకుంటాం. ఆ ఫస్ట్ డిజిట్ కే టేబుల్ 8 లో చిన్న నంబర్ కన్సిడర్ చేస్తాం. ఓకే, సో దిస్ ఇస్ డివిజన్ ఆఫ్ 3 digit number. Now let us see division of 4 digit number. The same procedure, children. Checking out first digit is less or smaller than and finding it out, the smaller of the nearest number, subtracting, dropping down the number, again finding out the nearest number, again subtracting. The same procedure, it continues further. It's a 6 digit or a 5 digit number, whatever is it. Alright, now let us take. So let us take one example. 8,317 divided with 7. Now let us divide. 7 here, 8,370 here. Now what is the first step? What are we going to do? We are going to check whether the first digit is, we are going to compare the first digit of the dividend with the divisor. ఇప్పుడు 8 7 కన్నా చిన్నదా పెద్దదా? పెద్దది. అప్పుడు 8 ఒక్కటే తీసుకుంటామా 83 తీసుకుంటామా? 8 ఒక్కటే తీసుకుంటాము. ఎందుకు? బికాజ్ 8 7 కన్నా పెద్దగా ఉంది కాబట్టి. అదే చిన్నగా ఉంటే అప్పుడు 83 తీసుకుంటాం. ఓకే? Now let us consider 8. Now what is the nearest number to 8 in 7 table? 1. 7 ones are 7. Subtract 8 minus 7, 1. Now after 8 what do we have? 3. So what are we doing? We are dropping 3 down. Now what is the number? 30. Now what is the nearest number to 13 in 7? 7 twos are 14. But 13 is less than 14. But 13 ఏం తీసుకోవాలి? 13 కన్నా చిన్నది తీసుకోవాలి. అంటే 7 ones are 7. 13 minus 7, 6. After 3, drop down 1.